Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make a sea moss smoothie. First, gather your ingredients, including raw sea moss, your favorite fruits, and a liquid base. This superfood smoothie is packed with nutrients, making it a fantastic addition to your daily routine. We'll cover everything from preparing the sea moss to blending a delicious, creamy drink. Properly preparing your sea moss is crucial for a great smoothie. After rinsing 1 cup of raw sea moss thoroughly, soak it in fresh water for at least 6 hours, or even overnight, until it expands and softens. Then, blend the softened sea moss with 1 cup of fresh water until it transforms into a smooth, thick gel. This gel is the foundation of your smoothie. Now for the fun part, blending your smoothie. Add 1/2 cup of your prepared sea moss gel to your blender, along with 1 cup of your chosen fresh or frozen fruit. Next, pour in 1 cup of your preferred plant-based milk, like almond or coconut. Blend everything on high for about 1 minute, or until the smoothie is perfectly smooth and creamy. To make your sea moss smoothie even better, feel free to customize it. Try different fruits like mango, berries, or pineapple for new flavors. A dash of cinnamon or a teaspoon of vanilla extract can also enhance the taste. Enjoy your delicious, nutrient-packed smoothie immediately, or store any leftovers in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 2 days.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.